Early roots. From Little Bimbo to Rastafari voice. Born Garnett Damian Smith on the 2nd of April 1966 in Manchester, Jamaica, he was raised in a musical household, deeply embedded in the island's sound system culture, especially through his father's involvement. Young Garnett sang in church, and by age 12, had joined the Soul Remembrance sound system under the name Little Bimbo, captivating local crowds with soulful toasting and charisma. He later performed with Pepper's Disco, Stereophonic, and Destiny International, the last introducing him to fellow Manchester native and eventual spiritual mentor Tony Rebel. Through Rebel and dub poet Yossa Safari, Garnett converted to Rastafari, embracing spiritually conscious lyrics and rejecting the dancehall norm. He gradually abandoned DJing in favor of singing, a transformation encouraged by veteran reggae star Derek